Once upon a time, at the centre of a great nation, a group of riders lived an interesting and fulfilled life. A life filled with adventure and exploration. They would set off on 2 wheels, exploring game trail deep in the woods, where glaciers fed streams that would replenish their souls and turn back the hands of time in their hearts. Then one day, the hiker saw the riders from a distance. Noticing the beauty surrounding them, the hiker became ravaged by envy. The hiker created a club, and in the name of the environment, the hiker began to turn hearts against the riders. Eventually, when people would see the riders, they felt hatred, yet they couldn't understand exactly why. The nation, slowly seeing the riders as a threat to its explosive growth of wealth, began to banish the riders. The nation and the club began working with each other, fueling each other's hatred. Together they convinced the riders that it was their own fault that it was happening to them. Softly but surely, the riders were forced to stay inside the cities. Every day they were haunted by a growing weight in the very heart of man. The freedom they'd once earned somehow lost. Many others had felt it, and soon a great anger grew among men. Their chains tightened, so much so that a whisper of going into the woods was punishable. The people had allowed every form of their existence to be taxed and controlled. Acts of violence began to appear, wire tied across trees to decapitate the riders. Riders began to revolt. One day the riders' anger grew so much that it broke their chains and a great gate opened. With it came a great army. A great eagle sounded across the land, destroying their oppressors. Perhaps it was the only way.